Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD, colors name, purple color, pink color, skin color, light green color, yellow color, orange color, dark green color, brown color and neon color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. B for butterfly. B for bag. C for cat. C for cap. D for dog. D for donkey. E for egg. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fruits. A for avocado. A for aeroplane. B for bat. B for ball. C for carrot. C for candy. D for donkey. D for doll. E for ear. E for ear. E for egg. F for fox. F for frog. G for goat. G for girl. H for house. H for home. I for eyes. I for ink pot. J for joker. J for jelly. K for kite. K for king. L for lemon. L for lime. G for God. G for girl. H for hen. H for house. I for ink pot. I for eyes. J for jug. J for joker. K for kite. K for king. L for lotus. L for lollipop. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with new topic.